Welcome to IELTS Express, Writing Band 9, Topic and Opinion. Human activities over the period of time have increased global warming. Significant circumstance of global warming is single-use plastic. There is much plastic around nature, resulting from the irresponsible behaviors of humankind. As research, more than 1 million tons of single-use plastics are dropped into our nature, such as the ocean, forest, and river. This affects the decreased number of wildlife and plants around the earth. Therefore, the solution for conservation is recycling and reducing the use of plastic.